Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy King FX in the chat. So as you can all see, we are now in our office. Yeah, so as for this month, July, we are gonna be trading in our demo account. As we prepare to fund our live account, or our real account, in other words, as we save some money to fund our live account. Yeah, so let us begin. So we are gonna open our MT5, MetaTrader 5. Yeah, so this is a demo account that is sitting at $17.16 or $17.16. Yeah, so as for me, I only trade gold and volatility 7.5. Yeah, so as you can see, we have XAUUSD micro, which is gold micro, and volatility 7.5 index and volatility 7.5 1 seconds. Yeah, so as I can see, on our gold chart here, on our XAUUSD chart, I can see a beautiful downtrend. Yeah, so first things first, even before we move further, the first thing I do when I'm analyzing the chart, I first go to the 1 week time frame. So we are going to use the top down analysis to analyze the market. Yeah, so as you can see, in the 1 week time frame, we can see a beautiful downtrend. The market has been falling on gold, it has been melting. Yeah, so we are going to now move to our 1 day time frame. Yeah, so our 1 day time frame confirms the trend, though here there was some change of structure or change of character. Price broke above this higher low. Yeah, so which indicated that the market has now changed into an uptrend in the 1 day time frame, though this is just a retest. Yeah, so this red candlestick you're seeing, this is just a retest, because the market has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend because it broke above this higher low. So we are now going to go in our H4. In our H4, as we can see, we have a beautiful rejection at that top there, at this top here. Just a minute. As you can see, we have this beautiful rejection to the upside. Yeah, so this is a beautiful retest that we can catch. So let's do it ASAP so that we don't miss a setup. Yeah, so as we have seen that this is a retest. Yeah, price was in a downtrend, but it has now changed to an uptrend, but we are now on a retest. So probably price wants to come and retest to this point here. Price wants to come and retest at this point here. Yeah, so one of the terms I use in trading, one of the ways I trade is support and resistance. So once price breaks a resistance, I wait for price to come and retest and make it a support. So as you can see, price is probably coming to this point, which was our resistance, to come and make it a support. Yeah, so let's now go to the small time frames for us to catch a trade. So a type of trade like the one that we're about to take, where the overall direction is an uptrend, but you're just scalping the retest. We call it a counter trend trade. You're just scalping the retest. And then the type of trade where you trade with the trend, it's called a pro trend trade. Yeah, so let's now find the setup in the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so as we can see in the 15 minutes time frame, we have this beautiful candlestick that has melted in the 15 minutes time frame, that might end as an engulfing candlestick bar. Yeah, which would give us confidence to sell or short. Yeah, so as we wait for this candlestick to close, let us go and check out volatility 7.5. So even for volatility 7.5, we have to follow the same procedure. So first things first, we go in the 1 week time frame. 1 week time frame, we identify the overall direction of the markets, which as we can see is an uptrend. Then we now go to the 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame, it's also an uptrend. Yeah, it's also an uptrend. It's making higher highs and higher lows. We now go to the H4. As we can see in the H4, we also have an uptrend. Yeah, we also have an uptrend. Price is still making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, so just a minute. So let's just do this. Yeah, so price is still making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, so at this point, since we have confirmed the overall direction of the market, we know what we're looking for. So at this point, we're going to be looking for buys only on volatility 7.5 1 seconds index. So let's now find a confirmation or an entry in the 15 minutes time frame. So as we can see in the 15 minutes time frame, we had this beautiful engulfing, this beautiful engulfing, which made a it made a morning star candlestick pattern. Yeah, in price had retested a bit, which we can see in the small time frames that this was a retest. Yeah, so now let's find an entry. So I don't know if we make our entry on XAUUSD or volatility 751 seconds. Which one do you think is the best? Type it down in the comments below. Yeah, so I think let's check out gold first. Well, let's first wait for this candlestick to close on gold.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so as we can see, this candlestick that we're waiting for has closed beautifully. It shows us that the sellers are in control. Yeah, so we are just going to place our trade just here because we have seen that this has engulfed almost about 5 candlesticks. Yeah, and it has created like an evening candlestick pattern. So I don't want to miss this trade. Let's just jump in. See you. Yeah, so let's now set our SAO to a point where we're going to be risking $1.
A few moments later.
As we can see, guys, it's still melting. Like I said, we now just have to wait. Let's now just wait and see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Gold is melting. Let's see how it plays out.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so as you can see, guys, our price started retesting to the upside, but at some points it rejected the upside, and this indicates that the sellers are still in control. Yeah, so we are not going to be looking for a point to exit the trade because we're in a certain amount of profit, but to be looking for a point to add more positions.
A few moments later.
So guys, as I said, that after we see a beautiful engulfing, we are gonna add another position. Yeah, so we have a beautiful engulfing. Yeah, right here at this point, beautiful engulfing. Yeah, so we can now add to our position. We can now add to our position, but let's wait for this candlestick to close.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so we are gonna jump in with another position. There we go. Yeah, then we can now put an SAO on this position as well. Yeah, so the reason why we have put our SAO on at the entry of the first position is because we don't want to lose more money after price goes against us. We just want to be in this 0.775 profit. Yeah, if it's losing, we want to lose the same profit that we have than entering into our capital.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so we are still running in profit even the position we recently added. Yeah, but we are now moving our first SAO at this point where our entry was to just reduce the risk or the loss. Yeah. There we go. Let's now wait.
A few moments later.
Damn, guys, our SAO has been hit. Our SAO has been hit. Yeah, so this is a candlestick that hit our SAO. This bullish candlestick is the one that hit our stop loss. Yeah, ain't bad. Losses are part of the game. Yeah, so our account is now sitting at 16.56. Yeah, so this is how much we have lost on our demo account, 0.92 for today. Yeah, so I will stop for today. Yeah, because you don't trade after a loss. Yeah, so we'll come back another day when the market presents to us a proper setup. Yeah, so make sure you like, make sure you follow for more content. See you guys in the next video.